Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like we said, we were going to bring you what are you working on projects today. Two cars were sent in to us. One of them was Elvin sent us in a 85 Chevy K20 pickup. He pulled this thing out of the weeds. I'm going to show you a before and after picture. He's done a lot too. He's still working on it. He's doing a great job. Anyway, we'll show you that one. That's a 350 with a 400 trans in it. I think last year it was licensed was in 2001. Anyway, Elvin's got this thing fired up, new brakes on it, a whole bunch of work to it. Keep up the good work, Elvin. Truck's looking great. Hope to see you at some cruise nights this summer. Hey guys, the next project we got is Randy sent in his 74 Formula with a 400 4-speed in it. Pretty sharp car. Take a look at that. Guys, thanks for sending these projects in. Well, boys and girls, I'm out in the garage. I don't got a whole lot ready for the Mustang, so I thought I'd just change these light bulbs out here and let you see what I got. In the past, I've ordered these online 16,000 lumens, 5 paddle lights, and they're really bright when they're working, but I've already lost 2 of them in the last few months here, which really sucks. Actually, I lost 4 of them. I'm just looking over here and see 2 more out. If you look above you, above me here, see one there and there's another one there. I'll flip around to the other side and show you what we got going, but they're pretty bright, the ones that are on, but the ones that are dead, I mean, like I said, I got 4 of them out now. So this garage is looking pretty dark compared to what it usually is. So let me pause this here, flip the camera around, and kind of show you what we got. Okay guys, so these are the ones that I currently have. When they're working, they're great. You can see you can't really even, they're super bright. But the shop's not horribly dark, but you can see there's 2 more out here. And I think I paid 15 a piece for them. Again, they're supposed to be 16,000 lumens. When they're bright, they're awesome. Went to Menards today, picked these 8,000 lumen lights up. Bear with me here. These are like half the size. I'll pull one down and show you. So let's put one up and see how bright it is. And we'll see if it's worth, they're about $4 less, but half lumens, so we'll see. Okay guys, this is a comparison side by side. As you can see, the one on the right is the one I just pulled out. From a glance, they look a lot bigger, the old ones do than the new ones, but let's take a closer look, guys. Look at the panels, the light panels here. There's more lights per square, obviously. But the overall panel itself isn't a whole lot bigger than what's there. Let's try and get this comparable. So let's plus these ones don't have a light in the center. Or these ones do. So anyway, let's take a look what I got put in there. I put one of them in already. Comparison, that's pretty bright. I think that's pretty bright. Just one so far, it's brightened this up quite a bit. We're going to put the other one in, show you it. And the other thing I noticed, this claims it's a has a life of, where'd it go here? This claims to have a life of 27 years based on 3 hours a day. I highly doubt that's going to last that long, but it also has a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. These other ones had I think it was a couple-year warranty too, but the problem is trying to find the guy who bought it from online. go from there. So let's swap that other one out and see what we got. Well, let me tell you guys and gals, at a glance, they look about the same. These ones here have been in a little while, and they're already, you know, they're nothing. They don't have the center light, but they're still pretty bright. As far as equal light across here, I think it's about the same. We're gonna pick us up 2 more of these, and we'll swap them out, especially since they're on sale. Maybe a few spares, but we'll see how long they last. That's the question. We'll come back to this later on in another video. I just thought I'd add something to the what you're working on video and kind of show you what we're doing light-wise here. So once again, this is what I got. It's equivalent to 450 watt bulb, supposedly, or 8,000 lumens, and it's 6500K. I like the whiter light, especially when I'm working on the cars. I don't know if, you know, any other body guys would agree with me, but for me, being my age and blind as I am, this is what I like. So we'll get us a few more bulbs and throw in there and see how they do for us. Well, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot, guys, for those who shared their what you're working on projects, and I hope to see more cars sent in. It's always fun to see what you guys are working on too. So stay tuned for more updates on the Mustang. We just ordered a bunch of parts for it, so as soon as they come in, we'll get a couple big videos going out here. And then let us know in the comments, guys. You like the short 5-10 minute videos, or would you like to see more in-depth or longer videos? We always wonder, because you never know. It's like, I know after about 5 minutes of watching myself, I get pretty bored. So if it's something interesting you're looking at doing, I get it. But just let me know. We can show you as much or as little as you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please share these videos so we can get more subscribers.